Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to review the sunscreen by the brand Biore, and this is the Biore UV Watery Essence SPF 50 Plus PA++++ Aqua Rich sunscreen, and this is what the packaging of the sunscreen looks like. If you want to know my review about this sunscreen, then please continue watching this video. I really love the attractive packaging of this sunscreen, and it looks very cute in this sort of blue and white cap packaging. Now this sunscreen is enriched with hyaluronic acid, royal jelly extract and butylene glycol. This sunscreen does contain aqua micro capsules that release moisture when you apply this sunscreen on your face, and this sunscreen is ideal for application on your face and on your entire body. And this sunscreen is water resistant for up to 80 minutes, and this sunscreen is also non-comedogenic. Let's talk about the consistency of this sunscreen. It has got a very water-like consistency. It is absolutely lightweight and feels very light on my skin. This is what the consistency of the sunscreen is, and it has got a very lightweight consistency. This gets absorbed into the skin very quickly, and it feels very lightweight, and it has got a sort of moisturizing and hydrating feel on your skin. I really love the fact that this feels so lightweight on the skin that you don't feel as if you have applied anything on your face. And I think this is an ideal sunscreen if you have combination 2 oily skin. I really love the texture of this sunscreen. This sunscreen does not give me a white cast when I apply the sunscreen on my face. It has got a watery texture which slides on your skin very smoothly and gives you a very soft looking skin. I really love the effects of this sunscreen because it does not make my skin look oily or greasy, and it makes my skin glow. I cannot explain how much I love this sunscreen. I'm in love with the texture of this sunscreen. This is so lightweight, and it gets absorbed into my skin in just a few seconds. And this is not one of those sunscreens which you have to keep on massaging onto your skin until that gets absorbed into your skin. This sunscreen gets absorbed really very quickly and makes your skin look very soft, plump and glowy. I love how my skin feels whenever I apply this sunscreen, and this is such a fast absorbing sunscreen that when you apply the sunscreen on your face, it gets absorbed into your skin in just a few seconds. I love this sunscreen because of its amazing texture, the soft and silky formula that this has. It is not at all heavy or greasy. It feels like you have applied water on your face, and it gets absorbed into the skin so beautifully. If you are someone who has got combination 2 oily skin, then I think this is an ideal sunscreen for your skin type, and I highly recommend this sunscreen to you. The only thing that I did not like about this sunscreen is the presence of alcohol in its ingredients, and alcohol is not a skin friendly ingredient. So if there was no alcohol present in this sunscreen, then it would have become my holy grail sunscreen. And normally most of the sunscreens, they contain PA++ factor present inside the sunscreen, but this sunscreen has got PA++++. That means it provides optimal protection. So in spite of the fact that it contains alcohol, I really love this sunscreen because of its amazing texture and formula. And if you don't like alcohol in your sunscreen, then you can definitely give it a miss. The texture of this sunscreen is something which you're going to fall in love with, and I've never seen a sunscreen with such amazing formula that gets absorbed into the skin in just a few seconds, and it is so lightweight. I think this is one of the most lightweight sunscreen I've ever used, and I'm in love with the watery texture of this sunscreen. And another thing that I noticed about this sunscreen is the presence of fragrance inside it, and it has got a somewhat sort of mild alcohol kind of fragrance which might not suit a lot of people. And if you're not someone who loves fragrance in your sunscreen, then I think you should not give this sunscreen a try. But I don't mind the fragrance of this sunscreen because, as I said, I'm in love with the formula of this sunscreen, and that is something which is keeping me hooked to this sunscreen because I love this sunscreen a lot, and I've started using this sunscreen on a daily basis. And this sunscreen retails for rupees 1270 for 50 ml of the product. Now I think this sunscreen is slightly costlier than other usual drugstore sunscreens. If you ask me whether I would suggest this sunscreen or not, then I would say that I would suggest this sunscreen because the texture of this sunscreen is to die for. I've never seen a sunscreen that is so lightweight and that feels so amazing on your skin, and that gives you a beautiful glowy look on your skin. and it has got an amazing watery formula that I absolutely love. And in spite of the cons present inside this sunscreen, I do love this sunscreen a lot, and I think I am going to purchase this sunscreen in the future also. But if you have issues with alcohol in your skincare ingredients, then I think you should definitely give this a pass. So yeah, that's all for today. That was my review of the Biore UV sunscreen. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.